Hello, in this short video, I will introduce you to the trusted best website builders platform. I have been working with this for over 7 years and earn about $18,000 a month. It is easy to use and provides beautiful, responsive websites. I will show you 7 very useful life hacks that few people know about, but which will be useful to you. Let me show you everything with an illustrative example.
Hey, today in our review you can get acquainted with the very reliable and easy to use Xero constructor. Subscribe to our channel because we're trying very hard to make the highest quality and informative reviews for you. Let's begin. Xero is a commercial web service. This means that you need to visit the site first and create an account. Once you have done this, the use of the website builder will be done through your web browser. Working with him is extremely intuitive. If you've ever used a word processor or similar software, what you see is what you get, WYSIWYG app. The theory is the same. It's like playing with building blocks. Blocks are pre-designed elements of a website such as images, text boxes, and so on. To create a website, simply select the element you want and drag it into place. Xero is easy to use. The Xero editor is simple and straightforward. You can start editing by adding various elements to the template. Most website builders are designed to make your web design process easier. This means they eliminate the need for coding and other structural or technical skills. The Xero is by far the simplest I've seen to date. Even if you ignore any instructions and are guided by intuition alone, you can create a website. For those with little experience, the process can go even faster using the pre-designed Xero templates. Have a free account. Many of you might be thinking about the limitations of a free account, and you'd be right. Xero has them too. However, consider it from the perspective of someone completely new to website building and in need of a trial. Rather than signing up and paying first, Xero lets new users get started without paying. Basically, this is a trial period that can last as long as the user wants. This is great for those who are nervous about allocating cash before using the system. It's a holistic solution. In addition to the basic website builder, Xero offers additional tools that potential website owners can use. They add value to Xero as a whole and help website owners in a way that many other solutions providers do not. AI Heatmap can help analyze images so users know where the focus points will be. AI Writer can help create generic text for use without having to outsource the creation of basic content. Then there is the Logo Maker, which is basic but functional. By providing all of these tools in one package, Xero is essentially a one-stop shop for building your website. It offers good ready-made templates. Xero offers 2 categories of ready-made templates, regular websites and online stores. One of the most important things for new site owners is the ability to link to ideas. In fact, this is the Xero template library. You can use them as is or mix and match ideas from different designs. It makes learning to build your website fun. Once you get the hang of it, you can seriously change one of them or just delete the elements and start from scratch. This is a digital whiteboard for your use. Also suitable for e-commerce. While Xero focuses on basic sites, they do have options for those looking to build an online store. Comparing the prices of their e-commerce plans and what they offer, I have to say that they are cheaper than most of the ones I have seen. For example, lower tier e-commerce plans allow you to list 100 products. This is more than enough for most beginner online stores. If you need more, upgrade your plan and this limit will disappear. Best of all, they don't charge any transaction fees for your online store. Xero prices and features. Xero's plans are divided into 2 main segments, one for regular websites and the other for e-commerce. There are 3 regular plans and 2 e-commerce plans available. The free plan is only available for regular starters. Most of the plans actually have surprisingly good features, but we can see Xero strategically leveraging core features to entice users to upgrade to at least the basic plan, their lowest tier of paid plans. The e-commerce plans are nearly identical with two notable exceptions. The more expensive one supports more products and also allows you to sell your site on social media. Basic templates can serve as a guide for newcomers in career advancement. All templates are fully customizable. You can upload your own images, customize the design and update the copy according to your needs. It's safe to say that all Xero templates have a professional, modern and stylish design. Plus, all templates are responsive and mobile ready, so you can quickly create a stunning website that looks great on all devices, no matter their screen size. Xero provides users with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that makes customizing templates incredibly easy. You just drag the selected web element to where you want it to appear on the web page and drop it into place. Then you just click on the component to edit it further. The drag and drop editor makes the job of novice web designers easier. However, if you are a professional, this can be a very limiting factor. So if you fall into the latter category, you might want to look for a more advanced website builder. Xero Editor allows you to insert the following elements into web pages: text, photos, video, Instagram feed, subscribe buttons, social icons, contact forms, map, buttons. It is noteworthy that you cannot create and publish image galleries or slideshows. This can be a problem if your site's main goal is to display a beautiful product photo or your portfolio. Mesh Tool. Xero lets you customize web pages with a grid tool for pixel-perfect placement. This allows you to be pretty accurate with your design. The elements just fall into place, so everything is perfectly aligned without spending hours of painstaking tweaking to make it look right. Free images. Xero gives you access to a photo library of over 1 million unlicensed images using Unsplash. You can outfit your website with professional-looking photos that highlight your brand without wasting any stock or photographer work. Online Store Xero. Xero makes it easy to design and launch an online store. In theory, you can start selling within minutes. As we just said, there are 11 ready-made templates that you can use as the basis of your online store. All of these can be changed using Xero's intuitive drag-and-drop editor. All Xero digital stores are secure and optimized for mobile shoppers. In addition, the platform makes it easy to sell with buy buttons. Users can easily add them to their product pages, and if you upgrade to their e-commerce plus plan, you can use these buttons to sell anywhere on the internet, including Instagram, Facebook, and Amazon. Track and manage your inventory. Xero's main toolbar is intuitive. From here you can add and manage all of your product inventory, including categorizing and tracking your products. This gives you complete control over your stocks. Multiple payment options. You can accept customer payments through PayPal, Visa Debit, credit cards, and MasterCard. Delivery management. Xero provides many delivery management tools that make it easy to check your order history, track payments, delivery status monitoring, send automatic shipping updates to the buyer via email. In addition, Xero also automatically processes shipping and tax documents. Marketing tools. Xero offers the functionality you need to serve customized ads on Facebook and Google Shopping. When done well, this job works wonders for expanding reach and targeting your ideal demographics. Plus, their built-in reports make it easy to track your sales and the success of your marketing campaigns. You can even integrate Xero with Google Analytics to collect additional data on what works, what doesn't, what can be improved, and more. You can also sell gift cards and apply discounts on your products. They come in handy for running promotions to entice your site visitors to make a purchase. Are you worried about whether you can produce quality content for your site? If so, AI Writer Xero can take care of that for you. It fills your site with top-notch content in minutes. Rest assured, the entire copy of the site created by the AI author is engineered to be SEO-friendly and tailored to your brand voice. It's easy as 3 steps. Write a few sentences to describe your brand and the context for which you need a site copy. One quick example is enough. Adjust AI parameters to determine the length of your desired content, creativity, and level of experience. Click Create and the AI author will create unique SEO-optimized content to display on your website. How does the AI Writer Xero manage this? It analyzes selected copies from your industry to create suitable web content for your area. Please note, AI Writer Xero is still improving, so while it cannot replace the experience of a human content creator at this stage anyway, it is a good starting point for your copy. Other tools and features. Aside from the AI writer, Xero offers several online tools that beginners may find particularly useful. Some of these include AI Heatmap. Load an image of your website, JPEG or PNG, and the AI Heatmap will tell you where the eye is going. A heatmap outlines where accents and contrasts on your site grab attention, bringing these areas to your attention using a color-coded system. With this information, you can better optimize your landing pages to draw visitors' attention to your products or call to action, which should, in theory, lead to increased conversions. Business Name Generator. Generate unique ideas for business names with the Xero Business Name Generator. Just enter a few keywords relevant to your industry and Xero fills in a whole host of sentences. Best of all, this tool is available for free on their website. Slogan Generator. Similar to the Business Name Generator, the Xero Slogan Generator is another free tool on the Xero website. Unsurprisingly, this also works the same way. Just enter one keyword related to your brand and the AI tool will suggest a list of suggestions for catchy slogans. Logo Creator. Last but not least, Xero also provides a free logo maker that places your company name and slogan in a beautiful shape. Along with a basic silhouette or shape, you'll have some design freedom as you can edit the layouts, fonts, and icons that accompany your logo. Xero Customer Service. Xero has a 24/7 support team ready to answer your questions at any time. However, if you are not yet a Xero customer, they recommend that you send a message via your email application. So if you don't have this app installed, it's difficult to access its contact information. Once you become a user, you can send messages to Xero through their chat widget, which you will find in their editor. They will usually contact you within a few minutes. Xero also offers an FAQ section, which we have to say is quite small compared to other online help documentation that competing website builders provide. Xero is incredibly affordable for getting your own personal website online. For a few dollars a month, you can enjoy hosting your own domain and a stylish website. Xero's e-commerce features are among the most affordable on the market. The Xero team is constantly working on releasing new tools and features. They focus on teaching artificial intelligence to create features that save you time and make it easier to build websites. Editing a template with Xero's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to create and customize your site. Xero templates look great and are optimized for mobile devices. Xero's desktop and mobile themes are optimized for speed to deliver high-performance websites across the board. Is Xero the best website builder for your business? Xero follows all the basics a website builder has to offer. You can create a website in minutes with one of their beautiful templates, and if you only want to launch a personal website, Xero is very affordable. It is one of the cheapest options on the market for the features it offers. E-commerce sellers can also use Xero to sell almost anywhere on the internet. To do this, some nifty features are built into the constructor, such as abandoned cart recovery and inventory management tools. It's not as extensive or powerful as the Shopify providers, but small businesses can find everything they need in the Xero toolbox. Overall, the Xero is a cheap and easy option. If you're not sure if this website builder is right for you, why not just try out its free plan and see for yourself? You have nothing to lose. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see our other reviews on the best builders for your websites.